You judge the man by the length of his hair. You think we're foolish, but we aren't. You took our hopes and replaced them with faith, yeah, with empty promises that makes you care. You say that there will be freedom, the freedom to live as you say. Generation of vipers, what they always say. I know there'll be a price to pay, for the heavens will rise up against you. My Father's hand will hear your name. Hell on earth will be your playground, but the higher calling will bear my name. A higher calling bear my name. I lost for love, you denied me my room. I live and I breathe and I die like you. Never had much to give, still you take my respect for granted. Now you wonder why I say that I pay the price for the things that are free. Satisfy your need to be better than me. You said there'd be justice, but you laid the them. I've seen the 7 ways you play. I've seen the 7 ways you play. For the heavens will rise up against you. My Father's hand will hear your name. Hell on earth will be your playground, but the higher calling will bear my name. Higher calling bear my name. There's nowhere to go, and my best has nothing to show. There is the Almighty showing me the way, saying don't give up, it's not as hard as they say. Don't give in, look at what life really means. Just be strong, there's joy through your sorrow. But if you do wrong, heavens will rise up against you.